Hello, third and fourth graders. I miss you guys so much. I wish we were back in the classroom, but since we aren't, I want to go through your Learning Anywhere, Anytime assignments, how you will find them each day, and what you need to do to complete your daily assignments. When you open up Google Classroom, which you should do every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every day I want you to open up and get into your Google Classroom. When you get into your Google Classroom, the stream page automatically comes up. If you click on classwork, it's a little bit cleaner and a little bit more organized. After clicking on classwork, here at the very top, you'll see Learning Anywhere, Anytime Daily Assignments. And I have one posted. It says Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. So you will click on the day that it is and click on that assignment. When you click here, you're going to have a file that pops up, and you go ahead and you click Thursday, April 2nd. Here you will be able to see all of your assignments. We have math, ELA, which is your reading, language, arts, writing. We have cultural studies, eSparks, Montessori. These all have check marks. These need to be completed daily. If it is not a check mark, it is optional. These are just extra things that you are more than welcome to do. It is not required though. They are fun. There's some PE, music, drawing, learning about an animal, just some fun things that you may do for extra work. All of these are hyperlinked. So when you're going to go into math, if you click, the website comes up. It brings you directly to Clever. Here in Clever, you can sign on to Pearson, and you will find that assignment. For Thursday, third graders, you will do 13.1. After you finish your math, you can move on to ELA. It asks you to read this article. If you click on it, website comes up, and here's the article you are to read. You can read the article. If you have a piece of paper or pencil, maybe you need to take some notes to help you understand and comprehend what the article is asking. After you read the article, it wants you to respond to your reading. Again, it is all hyperlinked, and it brings you directly to your assignment. So you would click on it, and here's where you'll pull up your doc, you'll write your name, and you can go ahead and answer your question below. Going back to your Google Drive, it's a Google drawing, and it's always labeled with the date. You then have your cultural studies. Some of you have finished your assignments that is due on Friday, and this is your country research posters. If you have not finished it, you will need to click on the websites. It will bring you to the 4 websites that you can find for your country. And then you may submit your pictures here in this Google document. You'll take your picture of your country research. Some of you have turned this in, and some of you haven't. The directions on how to insert your picture are right here. Most of you know how to take a picture in your Google Docs. Then you will do 2 islands in reading and 2 islands in math. Using eSparks, all you have to do is click here. It brings you to Clever, which will bring you to your eSparks. Then you have to do a Montessori job, just like you would in the classroom. You water your plants, wash your dishes, fold laundry, sweep or vacuum, make your bed, or a chore your parents' choice. Here you only have to pick one. Notice that. Again, optional art, optional PE, and optional music. These are just some fun activities, and again, they are also all hyperlinked. Every day when you come into your daily work, everything will be hyperlinked and will take you exactly to your website, or the document or article, whatever it is that you will need will always be hyperlinked. Notice this box right here, question for Miss G. If you click here, it is going to take you directly to your Google Mail, your Gmail, and it actually will pull up a message with my name here, already ready to send me. You may type in your question and send it to me, and that way I can directly help you. So just to refresh and to go back and to show you, when you go into your Google Classroom, in your Learning Anytime, Anywhere, daily assignments is where you will find every day's work. It will always pull up something that looks like this. Fourth graders, yours is maroon, not blue, just like in our classroom, our to-do list in the classroom. Third graders was blue, fourth graders was maroon. I'm hoping that this is simple for you to follow and you will know what is expected each day. I look forward to hearing from each and every one of you and seeing all the great work you guys have been doing.